Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable limited period submission in Form. If you want to disable the form on the specific day and time, you can use this feature. Suppose you have decided that you don't want to any submission for the Sunday all day, then this feature is for you. Let's get started. To begin, click on your form name. Next, navigate to the Settings section. Turn on the Limit Form Submission Period option. I have restricted my submissions on Thursday for all the day. Now click on Update. Now let's submit the form. After submit the form, you will receive a message informing you that the form is not available today. Moreover, it will inform you which day it is available. Go to the form setting again and disable the option and update it. If you try to submit another form now, you see the form successfully submitted. Thank you for watching the video.